Greetings, party people. I'm Kevin and 7KSW. I'm excited to show you Plexus, the tool we use to get our life together and organize everything into one place. Here I am at the Plexus login window. If this is your first time logging into Plexus, or if you don't remember your password, you can click on this checkbox right here, enter in your VE number. It doesn't matter if you include the E or the G at the end. Again, that just indicates if you're a general or an extra, but in my experience, it doesn't matter if you want to include that or not. And then you can enter in the new password that you want for Plexus. It'll send you, after you click that button, this button at the bottom, it'll send you an email to the address that you put in when you filled out the accreditation application with a link to log into Plexus. I'm just going to do it normally. Again, it doesn't matter whether you want to include the E or the G in the VE number, or maybe even the A if you're fancy. So I'm going to log in here. Here we are in the lovely Plexus interface. You can see here some cool statistics about how many applicants and sessions we've tested and administered this year and last year. I'm going to navigate up here to the top right, click on my profile picture. Here we can also toggle between light theme, dark theme, so if you prefer one of those, I keep it on. I'm going to keep it on my default system theme. Now I'm going to click on my name here, my profile, to look at my information. So this is the information from both ULS and what I provided on my accreditation application. So here's my name. You can't change your name here, but you can update or change your preferred name. So here's my contact information that I provided again on the accreditation application. Email and phone, and this address down here, I believe is from ULS, and the time zone and grid square here automatically update based on my address. So if you live in New York and your time zone, for whatever reason, says Los Angeles, you can manually update that here, as well as the grid square, and then you click Save down here, which is kind of hidden at the moment for me, to update that information. Cool, so I'll go back to the main page. This link, this button here, will take you to the GLAARG website with a page with just some information about Plexus and what it does and why we're using it. This next one, called Examiners, shows you as a VE with your information. You can click on that. Again, it sort of shows some of the similar details from the profile page. However, on this page, you can also edit yourself, edit your details, or you can request a certificate. If you click the green button here, it will email a PDF of the GLAARG certificate, basically the accreditation certificate, that in case you lost the email when you first got that, after you originally accredited. I wonder how many times I can say the word accredited and accreditation application in this video. So here's some more VEC information about me, and here's some information from the FCC. Down here I can see basically the details from ULS, which is where this pulls the information from. I can see my previous licenses on my applications, and here I can, if you speak any languages other than what it has by default, you can click Add Language right here, and you can do the same thing for emails. By default, again, it uses the email you provided in your accreditation, but if you want to add any, you can do that down here. And then on the next page, you can request a badge by clicking this button up here. And if you've requested any in the past, through Plexus at least, it'll show up down here. So if I click this, you can fill this out if you want a physical identification badge showing that you are a VE, most often used at like in-person sessions. So you basically fill this out, and down here you enter in the address that you want us to send it to if it's different from what you have by default, and then you click create. Cool. So down here are some external links to exam tools, to groups.io calendar, to the GLAARG website, and to our new and improved VE manual. Down here under FCC, these two links basically scrape data from ULS, so all this is publicly available data that you can look through it and look up licenses and applications on a Plexus, again pulling data from ULS. So you can type in a call sign or a FRN or any other details in the search box and click on an applicant and see their information from ULS. So you can use that to maybe check somebody's previous applications or previous licenses, and stuff like that. Again, this is the same information that would be on ULS. However, I like this because it's a little bit, the interface on Plexus is much snappier than the ULS website. So here's the licenses, and similar to ULS license search, and here's applications, which pulls the data from, you guessed it, ULS application search. Cool. So there's a lot more features on the session manager side. However, I wanted to go over those. I wanted to go over these ones that everybody has access to. In this video, I might make another video for session managers about, for example, submitting sessions and keeping track of past sessions through Plexus. But until then, let us know if you have any questions, and have fun.